Hello. Today is Sunday, October 6, 2013. It's been pouring rain all weekend long. Looks like it's going to rain even harder today than yesterday. So, we'll put the Halloween stuff up. Nice day to hang around, have some family time. Chloe, what's this? Chloe, what's that?
A frog.
Yep, it's a frog.
Cookie.
Cookie? That's a pumpkin. Fence. Where's the witch? Where's the witch? Chloe, what's that?
What?
Witch. Where's the witch?
For the doll.
Chloe,
The doll.
what's this? Is that a frog?
D.
What is it?
D.
No, what is it?
What's it?
Witchy.
Where's Cookie? Yeah. Where's Cookie?
Chloe, I got an idea.
What's the doll?
Since it's so rainy and yucky out, what do you say we open some new Legos here? Huh? Ooh. Can you pull them out of there? Wow. What's that? Ooh. Oh. These will be fun to step on, won't they? Yeah. Got Mr. Nacho keeping guard. Guarding the house, Nacho? Ooh, a lot of Legos in there. Yeah? I think you might need a little help digging those out of there, huh? She's gotten a little too old to just play with the box and be satisfied with that. Oh. Oh, we got elephants and all types of stuff. Wow. Looks like, oh, it's a circus. What's that? Is that a, what is that, a tiger? Is that a tiger? Alright. You think there's any way we can not lose a bunch of these? Probably not. Making a little video of Chloe opening these.
When do you want to take me to get the pickup truck?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Just gonna finish the paper.
We should just get it done.
Say good morning.
I don't want to be on video.
Too bad. Where is it? Up at Alicia's? Wow, yeah. Ooh. We're just gonna have fun.
Legos.
We're just gonna have fun with these. You wanna open those bags? Whoa, whoa. Remember when she used to be satisfied just playing with the boxes?
Yeah. Not the case anymore. Mr. Clown. Clown.
We're gonna have to be careful walking, 'cause these things hurt when you step on them.
Yeah.
Alright, Popo. We'll let you play with these. We'll make another video a little later. Bye-bye. A little too preoccupied.